You dingus bird. Okay, can you see that bird? He's harassing me. I just want to get my water. I threw this glove at him. It didn't work. And there he is. He's coming at me. Can you see him? He's right there. All I want to do is get my water. That's all I want to do is get my water. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I just want to get my water, you little freak. Okay, I'm sure my neighbors are going, who's the freak? Look at it. It won't get out of my yard. I just want to bring my water in. Get away. Go. Go. Quit chirping at me. Go. I can't even get to my water. Go on. Now he's fluffing up at me. He's like a fluffernutter or a butter or some crap. All I want to do is have a 4th of July with some water. Move! Go! Oh, I hate you. I can't even have a holiday.